Incorporating small, simple, healthy changes into your life can help set yourself up for success. It can be as easy as increasing your water intake during your workday by having a bottle of water on your desk and setting a notification to remind you to drink every 15 to 30 minutes. Creating new healthy habits does take time, but they form faster when you do them more often.
So what is a habit? You know, we all have them, both good and bad. And one of the things that you have to look at and think about with a habit is that there's a trigger, there's a routine, and then there's a reward. So think of your good habits that you have. There's something that triggers you to do that good habit. And then you do the routine, maybe go out for a walk, and then you have the reward. You feel good afterwards. Now think of your bad habits. Well, you know, there's a trigger to that. And then there's the routine that you do, and then there's a reward that you get at the end of that. Same, both good and bad. For example, if you smoke, what triggers you to smoke? And then that's a routine, and then the reward might be socializing with somebody or something like that. Now that's a habit that we would want to break. Keystone habit, what is it? Well, a keystone habit is something that affects all aspects of your life. It has a domino effect. For example, sleep. Well, if you don't get enough sleep, you don't have enough energy for work or play. Now, the big one is exercise. If you exercise, it helps so many aspects of your life. It helps your mental health, it helps your energy, you're more likely to eat better, and if you drink alcohol, you're less likely to drink as much. And also the people that you're around all day, they're more likely to exercise as well. So exercise, it's a real keystone habit. There's 5 things that actually trigger a routine, and that's a certain time, a certain place, a certain emotion, certain people, and a preceding action. Those 5 things will trigger a habit that you might have. And so what you have to look at is, what are your good habits and what are your bad habits? And how can you improve on them? How can you get rid of some of those bad habits, and how can you bring in some more good habits into your life and lifestyle? One way I've done it is through having a dog and taking Chuck when he's a young pup and Max, taking them out for walks 3-4 times a day, 20-30 minutes at a time. It really gets you into that routine. They get the routine, they come to you and say, you know, they start barking at you, it's time to go, which is great. But understand what a habit is. It's a trigger, it's a routine, and then it's a reward. So take a look at what you're doing in your lifestyle and figure out what your habits are.
Thanks for watching this video.
And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the BodyBreak channel for more awesome videos.
Until next time, keep fit and have fun.